Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside Performance Cordless Drill 20 volt, the model PPBSA 20 LIA1. Bare unit only, battery and charger are not included. Rotation speed first year from 0 to 550 RPM, second year from 0 to 2200 RPM. Torque settings 25 plus 1 drilling stage. Max torque 150 Nm, drill chuck span from 1.5 to 13 mm. Max drilling diameter 150 mm in wood, 16 mm in steel. Ready to connect with the smart battery and the Parkside app with a brushless motor, especially durable, powerful with low wear and tear. In comparison with a Parkside non-cordless drill, this tool has up to 10 times longer motor life, up to 233% more torque, up to 20% longer running time and up to 57% higher rotation speed. And of course this device is compatible with all batteries in the X20 volt team series with a 5 years warranty, a long warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice and durable case, Parkside on a black and red color. Included we have the manual, only the tool at the box and the auxiliary handle. Here you can install a second battery and another battery here if that is the performance 8 ampere hours or the 4 ampere hours. The charger 4.5 amp 120 watts fast charger, or you can use the regular charger 2.4 amp 65 watts. It is your choice. Most of the time I'm using the regular charger, not to stress too much the batteries, and they will last longer. So nothing else at the box. Comfortable grip, soft elements around, and lightweight design reduce user fatigue during extended use. Easy to handle and maneuver, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Here we have the belt clip. You can remove the belt clip and install it at the right of the tool. Magnetic bit holder. Nice. On a black and grey color. Left and right switch, the trigger, soft elements, with adjustable speed settings allow for precise control, making it suitable for different materials and tasks. Brushless motor here, features multiple torque settings to prevent over-tightening screws and adapt to various materials. From 1 to 25. Screw mode, drilling mode. First year, second year. So easy to change. Easy to use keyless chuck. Allows for quick tool-free bit changes. So easy. Remove. Powered by 20 volt lithium-ion battery, providing portability and freedom of movement. You can use the regular batteries or the performance batteries, 8 ampere hours, or you can use the 4 ampere hours. Mostly I am using professional batteries. The batteries are compatible with other Parkside 20 volt tools. For the test I will use the 4 ampere hours. We have a built-in LED light illuminates the work area, improving visibility in low light conditions. Nice. And here we have the blue, easy to connect with the Parkside app indicator. I will show you in a moment. And of course we have the auxiliary handle. You can install that here. Adjust. Find the right position. Tight it very well. And you will have more precise control of your power tool when you are drilling. And here you can install the depth stop, not included at the box. (360° rotation), adjust, find the right position. And it is very easy to remove. Soft elements in here, plastic, metal. And we have this storage here, it is like a storage. So now let's download the Parkside app and connect this tool. Parkside app. Add the tool. Let's check on the indicator here. 20 volt 4 ampere hours. There it is, blue light, finish. There is the cordless drill. Tool settings. You can choose performance, expert or eco. Rotation speed settings. How cool is that? It is on second gear, first gear. Same in here. Kick back, disable, enable. Just love it. Eco. You can control the speed. Only at expert mode. LED work light, you can disable, enable. LED intensity, you can adjust. Fade out time. 1 second, it will switch off. Okay. Overheat count, block count, overcurrent count, total tool operation time, battery settings, current temperature, lock the battery, create a pin, operating mode, performance, balanced, eco or expert. Eco and expert. And here you can adjust the discharge voltage from 2.5 to 3.4 volts and the discharge current 5 to 50 amps. Performance. Overheat notification you can enable. Identify the battery. There it is. If you have more than one batteries, the battery capacity indicator will flash for a few seconds. Current charge, discharge current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles, some informations. I just love it. We have so many informations for the battery and the cordless drill. I like that you can adjust the speed. Of course, who will bother to adjust the speed from the app? You can do, and from the trigger that, because it has adjustable speed settings, allows for precise control. Okay, now let's move on for testing. See how it's performing. Is a reliable and versatile power tool designed for a wide range of drilling and screw driving tasks. It is part of the Parkside Performance series, known for offering good quality tools at an affordable price. Benefits of the Parkside Cordless drill: portability, no cords, mean you can use it anywhere, whether at home, in the workshop or on a job site. Versatility, suitable for a wide range of tasks, from drilling holes to driving screws. Easy to use, keyless chuck and ergonomic design make it user-friendly. Cost effective, offers good performance at an affordable price point. Durability, built to withstand regular use, making it a reliable tool for various projects. Who is it for? DIY enthusiasts? Perfect for home improvement projects and repairs. Professionals? Suitable for light to medium duty tasks on job sites. Woodworkers? Ideal for drilling and screw driving in woodworking projects. General handyman? A versatile tool for various tasks around the house or workshop. Use cases: home repairs, drilling holes and driving screws for furniture assembly or repairs. Woodworking, creating pilot holes and driving screws in wood projects. Metalworking, drilling into metal with appropriate drill bits. Masonry, light masonry work with the right bits, general maintenance, handling various maintenance tasks around the house or garden. If you're someone who values performance, reliability and affordability, this cordless drill is definitely worth considering. Whether you are working on a small home project or tackling something more demanding, this drill has got you covered. And that's it everyone, we've just taken a closer look at the Parkside Performance Cordless Drill 20 volts. And I have to say, this drill is a fantastic choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its powerful 20 volt motor, ergonomic design and long-lasting batteries, it's built to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, DIY tips and project ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and as always, keep building, keep creating and I'll see you in the next video.